Alright, so before the video starts, I wanted to clarify that I have the tachometer set right, because this tachometer is capacitively coupled to the spark plug wire. That's how it knows what RPM you're at based on how many sparks signals it's giving out. And so the tachometer needs to know how many times your engine sparks per revolution, and in my case these engines spark once per revolution, which is considered waste spark because it only needs to spark every other revolution since it's a 4-stroke. But you'll see in this clip that I'm about to play that I set the tachometer on setting 02, which means the tachometer is going to know that my engine sparks every revolution. And in the start of the first clip of me testing the four-wheeler, you'll see that I set it to that. Just for proof, so I'm gonna go ahead and play this clip so you can hear it. Here's the book. You can see I set RPM to 02, and that's once per revolution, which is what my engine is. So that's right. And here's the book. Alright, so there's my engine. That's where the wire connects to the spark plug. Here's my tachometer. And I'll send you guys a picture of the book because this is a waste spark system. So basically you hold this button and so it says 2 on RPM for firing every revolution. Alright, there we go. Alright, here I go. Alright, so here I am after the test. I just wanted to show that both engines are perfectly tight still, nice and healthy. And the four-wheeler also still works fine. And finally this one, I'll show you that it still runs good. Oops, it was actually in reverse.